What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So yesterday I made a video talking about XRP and, obviously looked at how much I was able to gather over this time period. I'm still gathering more XRP, but I'm most likely going to take that XRP and I'm just going to take that as profits because I'm using XRP to leverage over on Margex, but I'm not going to keep the XRP that's there. I'm going to probably sell it and keep 35,000 flat, and that's going to be my level that I stay at. I love how much XRP I have. I don't really think that I need any more than that, and I want to go over my plan of exactly what I plan to do with it. Now, if something comes up and I don't plan on, selling the XRP that comes in, then I'll sit on whatever XRP I have. But this is my plan as of right now, and it should be one of my final plans that I have for XRP as time goes on and we hit certain levels. So whether you believe this is only going to get to $20, $50, $100, $1,000, whatever you believe it's going to get to, I have a plan for hitting those levels. So let's talk about this in this video today. I want to go over where XRP is because we did see an increase yesterday, and now we're seeing kind of the opposite today. So I want to go over where XRP is as well as go over my exit plan. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I feel like it's a better mock-up of an exit plan now, and hopefully you guys can build one of your own. Now, if you guys want to get this exit plan for yourself, not mine specifically, but the file, I have the file over on Patreon. It's my pinned post that talks about all exit plans. Feel free to check out that post to where you can get a full breakdown of that file and be able to break down your exit plan for yourself. I think it's important to have an exit plan because the hardest part of investing is selling your position, honestly. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out any of the links down below, feel free to do so. And if you guys want to build more XRP for yourself, like say if you wanted to utilize your XRP and leverage it to gain a lot more XRP, feel free to check out my link from Margex down below where you can start, leveraging that and being able to gain quite a bit of XRP like I did. I gained 12,000 extra XRP without having to spend a dime, which was really, really cool. So let's go into XRP and show you where it is, and then we'll go to my exit plan. So currently XRP is at 62 cents, down 1%. We're seeing it at a $33.9 billion market cap with $2.2 billion worth of volume. You can see the little dip that we did have from 63 all the way down to 61, and now we're back up to 62. It might be creating a little bit of a lower high, lower low situation. As we look at this in the last 7 days, we can see the highest point was 67 before it did decrease down here to about 56 or 50, 57, increasing back up to 62, down to 59, back up to 64, and now you see it down here, or it did get down to 61, but now it's at 62 again. So hopefully we can see this absolutely flourish in the future. But right now we still have the uncertainty that's going on with the SEC. With that being said, let's go into how I plan to, sell my 35,000 coins that I have. Now, first, understand exactly how many I do have. Again, I have 35,000 worth $21,694.92. We're seeing that it's up about $1,000, so I'm good there. But anything could happen, and we've seen this absolutely turn around to where I could be down in an instant. But if we go over to my exit plan spreadsheet, you're going to see I have XRP here. All you have to do for this spreadsheet to kind of break down what you have to do if you wanted to utilize it is you would put in your coins over here, how many you have. It already has a circulating supply to calculate whatever the market cap will be at that point. But then maybe it needs to be adjusted a little bit to 54. But the point is that you can adjust this to any of your strategies here. I would say adjust the beginning price wherever the beginning price is. So if it's currently at 62, that would be your beginning price. But let's just say that we just get to certain levels, because obviously I'm not going to take any sells. I'm not going to sell any before it gets to a level of $5. So once it gets to a level of $5, that's where I will take 5,000 coins, giving me my initial investment plus a little bit of profit, not including the coins. I guess it'll give me a little bit of profit overall, but not really including the coins that was sent over free by, Margex and that trading there. but it's giving me $25,000. So give me that room to kind of say, hey, you can hold the rest of it. And that's what I like to see, right? Getting my initial investment, getting a little bit of profit, putting that money into a different place, and then going on about my day. Now, if we scroll down here where I believe that this is going to get to easily, which is $10 to $20, you can see $10, I'm going to take 2,000, which is another $20,000. And at $20, I'll take another 2,000, which is another $40,000, totaling around $85,000 for what I would take during that time period. Now we scroll down here a little bit. As it gets to $40, that's the first time it's going to hit $1 million of a total balance. If it gets to $40, because I'll have 26,000 that's in there, it'll be $1 million worth. So then I will take half of that, which will be $500,000 that I'll end up pulling out. Now at that point, I'll probably end up having to pay a decent amount in taxes there, but either way, I'm taking out $500,000 there. Now, when it does go down, if it does continue to increase, I'm going to take 500 here, which would be about 50 at $50, $525,000 again, taking little pieces here and there, $75,000, take another 500, which would be $37,000, and then it gets to $85, which would be another million that it's at. I will take another half, which would be 6,000, and it'll give me a good million overall when I do look at that, or over $1 million. Now we start to get to the more complex parts where I just take a small amount every so often. So if it does find a way to increase well above 100, I'll take 100 here, 9,500, take 500 here, it'll be 100,000. And then I start to get into the smaller amounts. It'll be 200 that I take here, 200 that I take here, taking 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 100, 110, 120, and so on and so forth, all the way down to where we get to $1,000. I'm going to take 1,000 coins, which would be taking my first 1 million if it finds a way to get to that point. Now, I truly believe that could be an opportunity, but it doesn't mean that it will 100% happen that way. Now, after that, I will take a little bit until we get to a certain point, and I'll be taking millions of dollars even by only taking hundreds of coins there. So if it gets to $3,000, 250, 250, 250, a million, 0.75, 2 million, 5 million, 9 million. So giving me my reality, my expectation, and my max profit, you're going to see that 85,000 is my reality. That's great. I'll take 85,000. I invested, 12,000, and then plus the extra money that did get automatically put in there as gains. So we'll consider that as a initial investment as well. So let's say $24,000 or 20 something $1,000. Actually, I invested a little bit less. I think it was like 11,000 and then 12,000 there. $7,000. So ultimately, it was somewhere around $19,000 that I did like officially put in there. And what we're seeing here is that $85,000 is fine. I'll be happy with that. And if it does find a way to only hit those levels, let's say it is only to $20, I still have $560,000 that's sitting in there. So if it only gets to this level, I can still profit off of that. So not only is it $85,000, it's also 560,000 on top of that, right? So, or 500,000, I guess 520,000 on top of that. So I wouldn't be mad at the fact that it only gets to $1 trillion market cap. I'm perfectly fine with that. I can get $100,000, as well as seeing $1 million, right? Because when it does get to the expected number, which would be to $100, I still have, $590,000 that's there in the end that I could possibly end up taking that as well. So it would be over 1.2 million. It would be 1.2, 1.7 million there. But then you also have the max profit. And if we find a way to get the max profit, then obviously I make $23,687. And I will be insanely happy with that. I will be happy with 2 million. I'll be happy with 1 million. The point is that you're turning tens of thousands of dollars potentially into millions of dollars with this overall plan with XRP. I think this is my final plan. And anytime it does get to $1 million, you're going to see here at $40, I can take $500,000. That'll be great. At $85, I can take $500,000. And a lot of people believe that it's going to get to this point where it will be worth about $5 trillion. But as they see other things that go up to 50 trillion, 100 trillion, $1 quadrillion, that's just way too much to fathom. That's way too much to say that this is going to get there, but anything is possible, right? So, and depending on what the supply looks like, depending on what the overall use of XRP actually is, and I don't mean like what the use is based on the category of use. I just mean the number, the dollar amounts, the amount of coins that are going in and out that are necessary in order to buy whatever you need to buy, in order to convert whatever you need to convert, right? So, honestly, it's very, very interesting. But that's my plan. It doesn't mean that it's 100% going to gain me 23 million or 1 million. But I have a feeling that that reality of 85 million plus the 520 million or 520,000 is definitely more of a reality, turning it into about $600,000 worth of a gain off of a $20 million or $20,000 investment. So, anyways, hit that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to get free XRP, feel free to check out my links for Margex. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.